guys, I'm back with another book review. Recently, I have read The Archer by Paulo Coelho. So today, as the title says, I'm going to review that. Today, I'm going to tell you step by step what the book is all about, what can you expect from that, and is it worth reading? This video is gonna be a spoiler free video, so keep calm and watch the video till the end. The first two sections of my review give few facts about the author and a general description of the book, and the final two sections of my review provide my thoughts upon the book. Before we begin with the review, if you are new to my channel, welcome to Book Island. I am Juhi. I make book related content here. Please subscribe to stay connected and hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, it knocks your phone. Now let's get started with today's review. First, few words about the author. So, Paulo Coelho is a Brazilian author. He had a spiritual awakening at the age of 38 that he recorded in his first book, The Pilgrimage. Next, he wrote The Alchemist, that made him famous, sold over 70 million copies after all. I think most of you know, but still I am repeating, Paulo Coelho writes spiritual philosophical novels. Actually, the protagonists of his novels discovered themselves, and following their journeys of self-discoverations, we readers enrich our minds. The Archer is his latest book, published recently in November 2020. Actually, in 2003, an e-book version of the book was published in Portuguese titled O Caminho do Arco, meaning the way of the bow. So the book existed long ago but came down to our hands pretty late. Now let me tell you what the book is all about. The blurb says, here we meet Tetsuya. Now who is Tetsuya? Tetsuya was once a famous archer. At present, Tetsuya lives a private life. Next, there is a boy who comes searching for Tetsuya. Now the boy has many questions. Tetsuya, answering to those questions, teaches ways of the bow and several life lessons. The blurb adds more that the book says, if there is no connection between soul and action, then life can never be fulfilled. It tells more that the fear of rejection and failure makes one's life worthless. One should take risks, build courage, and accept the unexpected journey of life. It claims that the book provides a framework of a rewarding life. Here the blurb ends. Now let me give you my thoughts upon the book. Honestly, the blurb is misleading. It tells it's a story, but only 5% of the book contains any story element. Only the first few number of pages where the boy meets the archer Tetsuya, that is the prologue, and the final few number of pages where the carpenter reveals why he has chosen to live a private life, why he has become a carpenter. That is the epilogue. If you have read The Alchemist and assuming this book as another Alchemist level thingy, then don't. You are gonna disappoint. It's not a motivational story. Rather, except the first few number of pages, that is the prologue, and the epilogue, the last few number of pages, it's a self-help book that conveys its lessons, life lessons, in metaphorical ornamental languages related to archery. It provides knowledge on proactivity and success. Obviously, those are really good and one can really get help from them if one needs inspiration, but sometimes drags too much on simple matters. And it is as if attending a booster session before a motivational speaker. I am thinking of making another video on lessons I have learned from this book, so not discussing those lessons here. After all, this is a spoiler-free book review. It was a short, not bad read, but could have been lot better. Sometimes it becomes boring and monotonous because Coelho over-exemplifies. But the lessons are quite good, that's why another video, and there are some catchy quotes too. Let me read you some. For instance, if you never take a risk, you will never know what changes you need to make. Another one, what is a master? I would say that he is not someone who teaches something, but someone who inspires the students to do his best to discover a knowledge he already has in his soul. The last but not the least, serenity comes from the heart, although the heart is often tormented by thoughts of insecurity. Isn't this good? As I have said, there are some pretty good lines of inspirations. Actually, after reading the blurb, I expected it to be a story with good lessons like Alchemist. Actually, I expected a chicken soup and it turned out to be a vegetable broth. Okay, healthy, I'll manage. Not at all based by the Alchemist author, but not trash. Except the prologue and the epilogue part, the boy is just mute. As the blurb claims, he doesn't ask any questions. It is the archer Tetsuya who answers all the questions he assumes in his mind that the boy need to know, and the things turn quite preachy actually. Now coming to the features of the text, the language of the book is pretty simple but it is metaphorical. Coelho books are suited for beginner readers. They are quite easy actually. As for the point of view, there are two type of perspectives are used here. The first person perspective and the third person perspective. The prologue and the epilogue are written in third person perspective. Rest of the book is written in first person perspective. The book has some pretty good illustrations by Christoph Niemann, a German artist, and the cover is very beautiful too. Plus point, but see how we have showered our love on The Alchemist, which has some pretty simple orange cover. The edition I read had no illustration at all, only words. Does your one have any illustrations? So finally what matters is content, how it portrays. Everything rest are pretty but ornamental after all. Who doesn't love paintings and designs on their books? But as a reader, content matters most to me. I am rating this book 3 stars out of 5 stars. That's solely for the life lessons it provides. And it was a okay read for me. And Goodreads rating for the book is 3.7 stars out of 5 stars at Goodreads provides. It has 160 pages and the edition I am talking about is by Penguin Viking and the printed price is 250 in Indian rupees. So these are my thoughts upon the book The Archer by Paulo Coelho. And here we end today. That's all for today. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to stay connected. I shall be meeting you with another bookish video. Till then, bye-bye.